taser. Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Oh, he flip stop.
On January 1st, 2020, a Rock Island police officer initiated a traffic stop that would escalate from a headlight violation to a felony conviction.
What's up, boss? Hey, man, the reason I stopped you, okay? You started driving without your headlights on, okay?
It's automatic. My bad.
It's automatic?
Yeah, it's automatic.
Okay. Is this your vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Alright. Where's the date at on this thing?
Yeah.
Expiration date. I see an effective date, but doesn't have an expiration date on it.
Let me see.
There's an effective date. I'm not seeing an expiration date on it. Oh, this card expires 60 days after.
No, that's not right.
Yeah, that's what it says there.
Okay, that's my aunt. I can call her right now. The car was in her name.
Okay.
And the car been in my name probably. What is it about to say? It's insurance on it. It's insurance.
But
on it.
you gotta have a valid card with you though, man.
This is valid.
It says here it expires 60 days after the date below.
Look at that. Put my phone on. Can you hold that, sir?
Yeah,
I feel it. You got my cell phone? Call my cell phone. I think somebody stole my cell phone.
Somebody stole your cell phone?
Nah, it was somebody had my coat and they took it.
Okay.
Let me see your cell phone.
I'm gonna set your insurance up here. Okay, I'm gonna check your license real quick. I'll be back, alright? I'm pretty good. He was driving with no headlights on. I'm about to do field sobriety. I don't know how close you are. You might want to back up a little bit because I need some space here. Alright.
The insurance is under both of your guys?
No, look, sir, I'm calling my aunt right now, right? I just put the car in my name. Hold on. I just put the car in my name like 2 weeks ago, or a week ago, or something like that.
Okay.
That insurance is good because I paid the insurance.
Yeah, but you gotta have an updated card in your vehicle.
Okay.
Right.
I'm sorry about that, but I'm calling her right now. This is my aunt name is. She not answering.
Okay.
But I'm saying I don't know what to.
Okay, Christopher.
I can tell you, I just put this car on my name, like, looking at glove compartment.
Title?
On the hell, my aunt like 70 years old, G.
Okay.
Okay.
I got registration already.
What I'm saying is, I just switched this car. Okay, right. Me and my aunt got the same name. We got the same address.
Okay.
What I'm saying is, the insurance is good, but I know that it's like 2 in the morning where I don't know if you can call the insurance, but everything is good.
Okay.
I'm trying to call my aunt right now. I don't know. Okay, if I have to go to court, it's cool, and I'll pay, what is it, the court fee.
Yeah,
But
court costs.
I have insurance on here, sir. I promise I do, because I don't know why it's not popping up on the thing. What is this right here? Sir, I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, this was expired too.
It's not
January
expired.
12th,
That's what I'm trying to.
2019.
Please, sir. Hold on. I'm calling my aunt right now.
Okay.
Hey,
I just need you to unlock me. I got to back up for SFST, so.
And yours.
Thank you.
That's it then?
Yeah, you might want.
Yeah,
That'd be it. If you,
Sure.
yeah, if I need you to do a tow, I'll call you back. or
Okay.
something. Thanks. Okay.
Hey, cuz. Hold on. Hey, cuz.
Maybe my eyes are.
Hey, look. Hey, I just got pulled over by the police, right? Cuz, can you hear me? Hey, call your. Okay, this is my cousin on the phone, right? He worked for the city of Rocky. Hey, I just got pulled over by the what is you?
Rock Island Police.
Rock Island Police. They saying your insurance, the cars used to be in your mom's name, right? Okay. He trying to what is you trying to tell me?
The insurance card is expired.
He's saying the insurance card is expired, and I'm calling your mom right now to pretty much just see what's going on.
This is from Eve.
That's my daughter. But I don't know. Look, right? I'm calling your mom right now to see what's going on. Let me see. Cause I just switched the car over in my name like a week ago, but the insurance is still good until the 16th of January. Huh? Talk to the police officer, cause
regardless of what you guys are saying, I need a piece of paper in front of me with a valid date on it.
What I'm saying,
you guys don't have it. Okay.
right?
So, honestly, I don't need to talk to anybody else. I'm just.
So
That's
can
just.
you issue a ticket and he just take the actual insurance to the court?
What I'm saying is, sir, like, this is my aunt. She's 70 years old.
Mm-hmm.
She's 70. I've been paying her insurance for. Cuz, listen to me. Put me up. Okay. Okay, my car been in your mom's name for over a year, right?
Okay.
Okay. He's saying the insurance I got in my name is saying expired. But it's not expired, but he don't want to, I don't know if he want to call the insurance and figure this out. What I'm saying is I've been calling your mom, which is my auntie, to figure out why this insurance, you know what I'm saying, and in her name. But I don't know what's going on right now. Listen to me.
Okay.
Call your mom and tell her that I'm on the Arsenal Bridge and I don't know what's going on right now. I'm trying to figure what's going on right now, sir. Like, am I finna get a ticket for the insurance?
Yeah, you're gonna get a couple tickets.
Why is that?
For no headlights.
Headlights?
Yeah.
Oh,
They were off. They were off when I first saw you.
Okay, but I'm sorry. This is automatic. This is a car. Like I don't.
Okay.
Okay, I'm sorry about that, but this supposed to come on. This is a auto. I know what I'm saying. This car is fluky.
All right, I'm just going to be straight up with you, okay?
Listen, I'm talking. Cuz, can you hear me?
There's a bigger issue.
Okay.
All right, I can tell you've been drinking.
No.
Yes.
Okay.
Speech is slurred. Yep. I can smell it. Even though you're chewing gum, I can smell it.
I don't know what's going on right now, sir.
I'm gonna ask you right now. Do you want to participate in field sobriety testing?
Field sobriety testing.
Field sobriety testing. Do you want to participate? Okay.
What does that mean?
I'm gonna give you a few tests to ensure you're safe to drive. Okay. Right now, I have reasonable suspicion to believe that you're under the influence of alcohol. Okay.
No, I'm not under influence of sobriety, sir.
Okay. Do you want to participate in field sobriety?
What do I have to do for that?
You do 3 tests out here on the road, and if you do well enough on the test, you'll be let go here tonight, okay?
What's the test, sir?
It's a walk and turn test.
Okay.
One-legged stand.
Okay.
and then I do a test with your eyes.
Okay.
So it's 3 tests that you'll do.
Okay.
Do you want to participate in field sobriety?
I'm saying, what about, I mean, I'm not drunk, so I don't know, I don't understand what you're saying. Like, I would do the test, but I'm saying, so I just do these tests and then what?
And we'll go from there. But I have to have a verbal consent that you want to do field sobriety testing.
What's a verbal?
Verbal means you say out loud to me that you want to participate in field sobriety.
I mean, I don't have no problem doing it.
Okay. All right, just go ahead and turn the car off and step out for me.
So, can you please tell me what the test is again? You say,
It's 3 tests. You're going to test your eyes, you're going to do a walk and turn test, and you're going to stand on one leg.
okay,
That's 3 tests.
okay.
Hey, man, where you at, man?
I don't,
Here, I'll stay on the phone with her.
I'm on the Arsenal Bridge.
Snook, I'm gonna stay on the phone with you. Because the lights weren't turned on the car, so we got pulled over. He said that the
He said
insurance
insurance
isn't coming back as expired.
Right.
But he just paid the insurance.
Okay, I'm ready
I
to
know,
take,
but
I'm
he
ready.
said he doesn't want to talk to you. So that doesn't matter right now.
Okay.
Alright, you could come. We're on the Arsenal.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you something. If he comes up here, he's gonna go to jail for
Nah,
obstruction.
he worked for the city of Rock
I
Island.
don't care.
Okay.
He
Tell
said if you
me
come
all
up
right.
here, never mind, just forget it.
Okay, all right.
I just know I'm fucking freezing right now.
Okay, all right. I'm ready to take the test, sir.
Okay. Go ahead and hop out for me, okay? Take your seatbelt off and step out for me, all right?
So, there's 3 tests, right? I just want to make sure we're on the same page.
Yeah.
What is the test?
Test your eyes.
Eyes.
You're gonna do a walk and turn test.
What does the eyes mean?
I'll explain it all to you when you get out of the car, okay?
You can't come or you will be arrested.
No, that's not what I'm saying. He said my eyes test and what else? Because I need to know what's going on. The eyes test. I don't know what that means.
I'll explain it to you once you get out of the car.
Okay, and what else is going on?
You're gonna do a walk and turn test, and you're gonna stand on one leg.
Okay.
Those are the 3 tests.
So I pass these tests, then what happens?
If you do well enough on the test, and I don't have enough indicators, I'll let you get back in the car and you'll be able to drive.
All right, sir. I'm cooperating. I'm not drunk. But when you say I don't know what that means when you say I test.
I'm telling you, I'll explain it to you when you get out here, okay?
I'm okay. What I'm saying is like, when I'm saying I test, I don't know what that means.
I'll read you the instructions when you get out here. Word for word, I'll read you the instructions, okay?
Right. You say I just want to know why I got pulled over. I need to tell my family because you said my lights was off.
Yep. You're driving with no lights on, and I stop you here, okay?
Okay, so I'm finna do like a I need to tell my family because they need.
Okay, this is the deal.
Okay, I'm open.
You gotta
the
hang
door.
that phone up, okay, if you're gonna do my test,
All
alright?
right, all right, all right.
Alright, I'm gonna have you walk back here toward my squad car.
Okay.
Just walk straight toward the lights for me, alright?
Okay. So I don't know why my head was like off. But it's a I got one of those 2008 cars.
Okay.
Where it's pretty much like a it's kind of cold out here.
I got you.
Can I zip
So
my
we'll
coat up?
yeah, you can zip your coat up.
Okay.
I'll go quick, okay? Just hang out right there for me, alright?
How you
Okay.
doing, son?
This is what I need you to do, alright? Just stand
All right.
facing my car.
Facing
Heels,
my car?
yep, facing my car right here in front.
Okay.
Alright, I need you to stand heels and toes together, just like this. Arms down to your side. You gotta take your hands out of your pockets for this test, okay?
Nothing.
Alright, this is a start position. Just stay just like that until I get in there and read the instructions, alright?
All right.
You have any eye problems, anything like that? You wear contacts, nothing like that?
I don't wear glasses.
You don't wear glasses, nothing?
I got good
Good
eyes.
vision?
Yeah.
All right. So, can you see my fingers just fine? Look at my fingers. Can you see them just fine?
For sure.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Keep your head still and follow my fingers with your eyes only, okay? Don't move your head.
I'm not.
Do you understand these instructions?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Just follow my fingers with your eyes. Don't move your head, all right?
Okay.
Hey, boss, you gotta keep your head straight forward, all right?
Okay. You said don't move my head.
Yep, don't move your head.
All right. Sir, don't move my head, sir. I'm just following your instructions. It's really cold out here. I just want you to know that.
Okay, I'm going fast as I can, okay?
Okay, I just want you to know that it's cold out here. I'm not moving my head. I'm following. I'm just free. It's like negative something. I only weigh like 150 pounds.
All right. So that's all for that test, okay?
I'm shivering, sir. I ain't gonna lie.
We'll hurry up and knock these other two tests out real quick, all right?
I'm just cold.
All right, turn this way right here for me, okay? Face your car. All right, stop right there.
I'm sorry.
All right, so what I need you to do, we're going to pretend there's an imaginary line right here, okay? Straight line.
All right.
I need you to place your left foot on that imaginary line and place your right foot in front of it, touching heel to toe, just like this, okay?
Left foot first, right?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, put your right foot in front of your left.
All right.
All right, heel to toe. And stay just like that. You got to take your hands out of your pockets also.
I'm cold, sir.
Okay, we'll hurry up and get through this as fast as we can, all right?
I'm sorry.
So keep your hands down to your side.
Can you
and
feel
this.
my hands?
No, I'm not gonna
I
feel
know.
your hands.
I'm saying I'm not drunk, but I'm saying what I'm saying is it's freezing out here.
Okay, just let me get through the instructions and
Okay.
we'll have a dialogue, all right? So arms out your side. This is start position, okay? Stay in that position until I get done giving you instructions. Do you understand that so far, okay? So when I say begin, you're gonna take 9 heel to toe steps down this imaginary line, all right?
Down this line?
Yep. Don't start yet. Don't start until I tell you to do so, all right? So when I say start, you're going to take 9 heel to toe steps down that line, all right?
All right.
On your 9th step, you're going to leave your front foot on the line. You're going to take a series of small steps to turn yourself around. When you get turned around, your first step is going to be 1 again, and you're going to take 9 more steps, all right?
All right.
All right, so it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, and so on up to 9. You're going to leave your front foot on the line, take a series of small steps like this, okay, to turn yourself around. When you get turned around, your first step is going to be 1 again, okay? 1, 2, 3, and so on up until you get to 9, okay?
9 steps.
All right, don't start yet. Don't start yet. Keep your arms at your side at all times. Watch your feet. Count your steps out loud.
All right.
And don't start walking once you start the test, okay? Do you understand?
We by a river, right?
Did you
by Mississippi River, right?
Yeah, but did you understand my instructions?
Okay. Count 9 and 10, then turn around. And then count to 9 again, and then turn around again.
Yeah, just do the test like I instructed you to do, okay?
It's cold. Okay. When you want me to start?
You can go ahead and start whenever you're ready.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Turn around, right? You say 9, turn around, right?
Yep, complete it how I told you.
Okay, sir. I'm following you. It's cold out here. It's cold. I'm talking about, I only weigh 150. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You say turn around, right? You say turn around. I'm just saying.
Just you gotta just do whatever the instructions that I gave you. Okay.
Okay, you say turn around. Now what I do now? Cause you say walk around this way 9 and come back.
Uh huh.
Okay, so what do you want me to do now?
That's it. What did I?
To death.
Okay. Did I give you any other instructions after that?
No.
Okay.
No,
So that's the end of the test. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So the next test, face me. This is the last test. All right.
Sir, can you feel my hands? I
can't. I'm not gonna feel your hands, boss.
I'm freezing
All
to
right.
death.
Just turn toward me real quick.
Okay.
No. Get over there and face me.
Okay.
All right. So this is gonna be the one leg stand test. Okay. You gotta put your arms down at your side and heels and toes together, just like this. This is the start position. Okay. When I say begin, you're gonna raise either foot, left or right, whichever one you choose.
Okay.
About 6 inches off the ground. Keep your foot level to the ground. Point your toe out. Okay. Keep your leg straight. Watch your toe and count out loud in the following manner: 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, and so on until I tell you to stop. Or it's going to be approximately 30 seconds. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So at any point in time, if your foot touches the ground, just pick it back up and continue counting where you left off. Okay? All right. Any questions?
No.
Okay. Do you understand? Right?
You said count to 30, right?
Yep.
Okay.
All right.
This code. All right.
You can begin.
1, 2.
You gotta get your hands out of your pockets, boss.
1, 2, 3.
Arms
4,
down to your side for me.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It's cold. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
All right.
Okay. It's
Stop.
freezing, sir.
Okay.
I only weigh 100 pounds. It's cold out here.
Actually, I'm gonna just be honest with you. Okay. Do you want to provide a breath sample?
What?
A breath sample on a portable breath tester.
What is that?
It's a roadside breath tester that I can get a gauge about how much alcohol that you have. Okay. On your breath. Okay. It's a portable breath tester. It'll test the amount of alcohol that's in your breath from your lungs.
I don't understand why you say that.
Because right now.
I mean, I'm gonna pass it. If you feel like I'm
okay. Right now.
I'm cold out here, sir.
Okay, I got you. Right now, I have enough probable cause to arrest you. Okay, for driving under the influence of alcohol. Okay. Do you want to provide a breath sample?
What does that mean?
You want to blow in my roadside machine to see what your breath alcohol content is.
I mean, why do you say you have enough to arrest me?
I have enough indicators on my test, okay? Do you want to provide a breath sample?
I mean, I just did everything you told me to do.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Okay. So, you had enough indicators on my test that
It's
let me know that it's very
20 degrees out here. So.
okay, but still, the test give me a good gauge of a person that's under the influence of alcohol. Okay.
Okay, so.
Do you want to provide a breath sample for me?
I mean, that's what I have to do. I mean, I don't know. That's what I have to do.
I mean, it's yes or no. It's consent. I can't force you to do it.
I don't understand what's going on.
Okay. It's either yes or no. I don't know what other way to explain it to you.
I'm asking you questions because you're the police officer and I'm the civilian.
Mm-hmm.
I'm asking you like I just did everything you want me to do.
Okay. And you had enough indicators on my test that is very indicative of a person under the influence of alcohol. Okay. So I'm asking you now, do you want to provide a breath sample to gauge where your alcohol content is?
Okay, what I'm asking you as a police officer,
mm-hmm.
Okay, you asking me to provide a breath sample,
mm-hmm.
and I'm saying like, what did I do to pretty much to you asking me to do this, like I'm saying I'm freezing to death.
And I'm taking that into account, but I also know that I have reason to believe that you are under the influence of alcohol.
Okay, you have a breath sampleizer?
Yeah, I got one in the car. You wanna do it?
I'm saying what I'm trying to figure out is I didn't pass your test.
You gave enough indicators on it that I have probable cause for an arrest.
Arrest for what?
Driving under the influence of alcohol.
Okay, you can do the breathalyzer.
You sure?
I'm saying, like, I don't know what you're saying. Like, I'm not a you know what I'm saying? I don't know what's going on right now. I'm trying to figure this out.
All right.
You telling me?
So I believe that you're under the influence of alcohol, okay?
Okay, we can do the test. All
right, you want to provide a breath sample?
Okay.
All right. Hey, just hang out right there for me. I'll be right back, all right? Hey. Do me a favor, boss. Just walk back here toward my car. I promise if don't get in that 701 taser. Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Oh, he didn't stop. He fled an hour. Apparently he has a female passenger in there. Negative. Driver jumped in the vehicle as I was getting PBT. He is fled into an hour now. I disregarded it.
Under Illinois Vehicle Code Section 625, ILCS 5/12-201, vehicles must display lighted headlamps during hours of darkness. This violation provided lawful, reasonable suspicion for the stop under Terry v. Ohio's framework for investigative detentions. The officer's approach reflects standard positioning protocols, with hand near duty weapon and maintaining reactionary gap for officer safety. Under Pennsylvania v. Mims, officers may order occupants from vehicles during lawful traffic stops, a minimal intrusion justified by safety concerns. The insurance documentation issue triggers Illinois Statute 625 ILCS 5/3-707, requiring proof of financial responsibility. However, possessing actual insurance coverage provides a defense even when documentation is expired or unavailable at the scene. During this exchange, the officer observes indicators warranting expansion of the investigation beyond the traffic violation. The transition to field sobriety testing requires reasonable suspicion of impairment, a lower standard than probable cause, but more than mere hunch. The horizontal gaze nystagmus test examines involuntary eye jerking caused by alcohol and certain drugs. NHTSA protocols require the stimulus held 12 to 15 inches from the subject's nose, evaluating 6 specific clues across both eyes. 4 or more clues suggest impairment, though medical conditions and improper administration can produce false positives. The walk and turn test divides attention between instruction compliance and physical execution, identifying 8 possible impairment clues. 2 or more clues indicate probable impairment, but age over 65, injuries, footwear, and surface conditions affect validity. The extreme cold temperature presents significant validity concerns, as frozen pavement and physiological cold stress impact coordination. The one-leg stand requires balancing on one foot for 30 seconds while counting aloud, testing divided attention and physical stability. 4 clues exist: swaying, using arms, hopping, or putting the foot down early, with 2 indicating probable impairment. Defense attorneys routinely challenge field sobriety tests administered in extreme weather, arguing environmental factors rather than alcohol caused observed clues. The officer's assertion of probable cause must meet the standard defined in Illinois v. Gates: a fair probability that evidence of crime exists. Probable cause requires specific, articulable facts, not conclusory statements about having enough indicators, without detailing which clues were observed. The preliminary breath test discussion reveals critical legal distinctions between voluntary roadside screening and mandatory post-arrest chemical testing. Under Illinois law at this time, preliminary breath tests were generally voluntary during the investigative detention phase. This differs from implied consent laws requiring chemical testing after arrest, where refusal triggers automatic license suspension. The officer's repeated phrasing, "Do you want to provide a breath sample?" correctly reflects the voluntary nature and consent requirement. However, once probable cause exists for arrest, the officer may arrest without the preliminary test, making it investigatively useful but not legally required. The Fourth Amendment reasonableness inquiry examines detention duration. Extended roadside investigations become constitutionally vulnerable over time. Rodriguez v. United States established that traffic stops may not be prolonged beyond the time reasonably required to complete the stop's mission. Here, developing reasonable suspicion of DUI justified the extension, but the prolonged consent discussion tests those boundaries. The critical moment occurs when the subject enters his vehicle and flees, while the officer retrieves testing equipment. This action violates Illinois Statute 720 ILCS 5/31-1, defining resisting or obstructing a peace officer. Knowingly obstructing the performance of authorized acts constitutes a Class A misdemeanor, escalating to felony when using a vehicle to flee. Illinois v. Wardlow established that unprovoked flight upon seeing law enforcement constitutes a pertinent factor in determining reasonable suspicion. Here, flight from an existing lawful detention transforms reasonable suspicion into clear probable cause for arrest on obstruction charges. The officer's decision not to engage in vehicular pursuit reflects sound tactical judgment, balancing apprehension against public safety risks. Many departments restrict high-speed pursuits for nonviolent offenses, particularly when passengers are present and immediate apprehension is unlikely. The subsequent warrant process and 9-month delay before service demonstrate the complexities of fugitive apprehension in misdemeanor origin cases. The plea agreement dismissing all charges except obstruction reflects prosecutorial assessment of evidentiary strengths and weaknesses. Without a chemical test result, and with field sobriety tests administered in extreme cold, proving DUI beyond reasonable doubt presented challenges. The body cam footage provided clear evidence of the escape, making obstruction the strongest charge, despite being originally the least serious conduct. The Class 4 felony conviction represents Illinois' lowest felony level, carrying potential imprisonment of 1 to 3 years. The sentence of costs only, with no jail time, suggests first offense status and judicial recognition of mitigating circumstances. Evaluating the officer's performance. Legal compliance scores highest, with clear, reasonable suspicion for the stop and developing probable cause. Tactical soundness suffers from the positioning error allowing vehicle access, though environmental testing decisions show appropriate judgment. Professionalism remained exemplary throughout extended interactions, with patient explanations and no excessive force, despite subject non-compliance. The officer earns a grade of B+, solid constitutional compliance and professionalism, with tactical improvement needed in detention management. Evaluating the subject's performance. Initial cooperation demonstrated understanding of basic obligations during traffic stops. However, failure to carry valid insurance documentation and inability to clearly assert or decline rights showed inadequate legal preparation. The decision to flee transformed a situation likely resulting in misdemeanor charges or warnings into guaranteed felony conviction. This represents catastrophic failure of judgment, creating danger to the passenger, public, and self while ensuring the worst legal outcome. The subject receives a grade of D-. Initial cooperation insufficient to overcome the felony level failure in decision making. Key lessons from this encounter. First, environmental conditions significantly impact field sobriety test validity and must be documented thoroughly. Second, tactical positioning during extended investigations requires constant awareness of subject access to vehicles and escape routes. Third, clear articulation of specific probable cause elements strengthens legal foundation and helps subjects understand investigation scope. Fourth, fleeing from lawful detention invariably worsens legal outcomes, transforming manageable situations into serious criminal charges. Fifth, preliminary breath tests serve investigative purposes, but voluntary nature requires clear consent, creating communication challenges. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for even more police interaction and courtroom content.